voila. Oh.
This is hide and seek.
Yellow.
Hide and seek fidget spinner.
2.
And I won't bleep out his face this time. If you've seen the first one. Which is pretty good. Has 31 views.
And yeah, well,
This has like 38.
yeah. A lot of people like it because it's funny part.
Oh, is it the squishy part?
Oh, it's not. That's hide and seek, remember? I'll tell you the part.
Oh.
So YouTube can't hear the part that was really funny, so I don't want to spoil it. For all of you, those who haven't seen it.
Oh. Yeah, I remember. Okay. You're hiding it first.
Okay.
Hide it. Go at it.
Okay. Taxi.
No. You just tell when.
Oh, yeah. Like the other one.
Yeah. The original one.
Go!
I got this new game called Create Your Own Emoji. Okay. I'm just waiting for him. Would you rather eat a whole city or a person's brain? Comment down below. All of these. Are you ready? Ready?
Ready?
Let's go. And it's hot or cold too.
Hot or cold?
Yeah.
Am
I hot?
Actually, yes. You're getting much hotter. Like, a lot.
I might know where it is. One spot.
Once it was.
Yeah,
there.
the regular one. If you guys go check that out.
Yeah. Please, would you? If you
Is it in this
already?
room? Yes. Yo, what? I'm very hot.
It's not in that cabinet, no.
I'm still looking. My
Don't go to the room, remember? In here.
Oh. Okay.
Nope, it's not in there.
It's not in there. Comment down below if you saw it. No. Here we go.
Want me, you guys to
Tell you.
Okay, go.
No.
away.
Matt, take me. But first tell them. Take me and then tell them first and then take me. I hid it under a sampler. Like right. Where can I get it? Why can't I get it? Right. Under there. It's under there. Yeah. Oh, right. Okay, done. And tape me, remember? Hold it. Okay, tape him. Tell me if it's on you. Yeah. So tape down. Hold on, no, like hold on. Is it on you? Right here, and then turn. That really. Let's see. Yeah, it's still good. Nope, not under it. Oh, I know one that I have not checked. No, it's not in there. It's not in there. Gosh, it's not in there. Up. There we go. Now turn. It's still in this room. Yes. True. It's not anywhere near nature. It's not in there, no. Okay. Up. Okay. Sit down. Be humble. 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 Down. There we go. Is it in this? Stupid cameraman. That's who I am. It's like they can't see me.
Is it in this room? Is it in this cabinet?
No, it's not in that cabinet.
I gotta show them this Play-Doh.
Dude, what happened to that? No.
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. Sit down. Be humble. Humble.
Okay. We're still looking. Okay, is it?
Yes, it's on that desk. It's on the desk. That's a big hint. No, it's not in there. Yo! I found it!
Told you guys under that sand timer.
Come on. The winner gets to spin it. Oh! I'm the winner! I did not take the L. I beat you.
did.
I beat you big time. I took the W. Fine.
You'll be serious, right? Didn't I?
Took you a lot of time to find out. Come on, I get to hide it now.
You sure it's like 10 times?
And then I'll tape you after.
No, I thought, no, you have to tell him though. Did you have the tablet last time, or did I have it? I had it.
I had the tablet last time, so you would have it.
Okay. Did he?
Yeah, I did.
You didn't have it. Nuh-uh. No,
You know
didn't.
when you tape me?
I taped, yeah.
Yeah, it's my turn to hide it.
Okay.
Yeah. So when I'm ready, close your eyes.
Sorry, guys. So you that we just went to the community center today.
Done. Okay, I will tape you now. So, hold on, tell me, is this fine?
That's, I don't wanna, I just wanna, yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, okay. I'll tell you something, you're hottish, coldish. Can you still see?
Yeah.
Okay. Dude! What are you looking
Buddy,
at?
that's why we named our channel Buddy Gutty.
You're very cold.
What was that?
You're very cold.
I don't care.
I would back up.
I don't care.
Hold on, let me re-grip.
I love being cold. I don't want to be hot.
You don't want to be the H word. I mean, S
Oh,
word.
it's not an H word.
It's okay.
Just tell him. Tell him.
Oh yeah. Pit your head on the couch. Okay.
Cover.
I'm going. Okay. So it's right. You can't see it yet, but if you take this, now you can see it. Hold on, let me do some. Oh shoot! What? Hold on, Maddox. Okay. There we go. Ready. Okay. Can you see yourself?
I can see the gaming legend, yeah.
Can you see?
Yes, I can see them. Can I see YouTube? Yes. I can see YouTube.
Let me. There we go. You're very hot.
Is it? No.
It's not in there.
Okay. That's a person with makeup.
You are touching like it. You are touching. Dude. What the heck? Dude.
Oh! What?
Guess where it was?
It was right there.
No, was it?
What? Or was
It was in there.
Oh, it came out because there was a little hole.
Yep. Ha! Look at me. Okay. Hold on, let me fit it back in. There we go.
I did not. Yes, you did. I did not.
I'm trying to put the L on.
No, put it on.
Let me have okay, it's your turn to hide it.
I got this W on that one.
Hold on. You take it. The camera. You take the camera.
Tablet.
I'm just waiting.
Yeah, you might have saw my water bottle just broke this second.
Well, sorry. That was wrong with this. So you guys can't hear that.
It almost broke the last second time. Buddy. I'm still trying, buddy.
I'm just a baby. Baby zombie. What I said.
I think you said Craig, or
No, I said.
What? Like, something by the...
No.
What? What'd you... Dagan by the camera?
No.
What?
Take the camera, okay?
Take the camera.
Okay, are you seriously ready?
No, my water bottle. Oh, still.
What are you guys doing?
Just trying to fix my water bottle.
Just fix it. Mom, could you get it? Yeah, let's just.
I have to get this.
Oh, you broke it! Hold on, go in there in the dark cave, you guys.
Okay, done.
Your punishment is over. You take it so I can show them where it is.
Why do I always have to be on the camera, Ryan?
Oh.
I got my foot stuck. I think it should be like glued to the floor.
Okay, tell me when you're ready.
Ready. No, not. Sorry. Didn't mean to do that. In the same room right here. No, it's not. Okay, ready.
Said it was in the same room.
That's not true.
Take me.
That's not true, though.
Take me.
I'm being serious. That's not true. You're never gonna find it in there.
You said it was in the same.
Well, it's not. I'm just trying to trick you. Let me guys tell you where it was.
I thought you showed them.
What?
I thought you showed them.
Yeah. Okay. Which part of that sounded like that? It's under some type of... It's under something. It's not in this room. I'm being serious.
Okay. What room is it in?
The living room.
The living?
Yeah. I'll take you. I'll take you.
No, down here. Oh.
No. Oh, what if I did hide it in there, though?
That'd be awesome.
Yeah. Sit down. Be humble. Humble.
Am I hot?
No. A little bit, actually. Oh, I shouldn't have done that.
Said a little.
Dude, you just touched lava. No, your butt did touch.
Whoa.
No, not there. The other lava that your butt touched the first time. There, guys. No, the other butt touch. Not that couch, Ryan. The other one. The one you had before. That one.
What one was a bouncy ball? Am I hot?
Very. Actually, you are very.
Am I touching it?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Comment down below if this was very easy, you guys.
It is pretty easy. Gosh, Ryan! Let's throw that at YouTube. Grayson, my mom's here. Can I just tell you where it is?
Yeah.
Oh, I like your grandma picture.
It's under there. It's under here where he looked like a bunch of times.
Where under here?
I just threw it under there. Right there, dude! It's right there. Okay. He didn't find that, and he looked right there.
Bye, you guys. That's it. And perfect timing.
Yeah.